Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to use the battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Here you have to find and select the upper bar twice, tap on battery icon, and as you can see, you can enable here the stamina mode by tapping OK. Let me tap OK. This is the first power saving mode. If you tap more key here, you will see the stamina mode, so you can choose auto start this mode when you have the 15% of the battery. Here you've got the remaining time. Let me tap done. You can also find the power saving mode settings in the settings icon, so let's find and select the settings app right here. Choose battery. Here you've got the remaining tab, the stamina modes that you see previously. Let's tap it. You can here enable the auto start to 15%. You can choose always on. So right now the stamina mode is activated. Or you can also go back, and if you would like to work on your device for a really long time, let's choose ultra stamina mode. Here we've got all specification about this mode. This is the most restrictful one. Let's tap active. Let's tap OK. The device is turning into the ultra stamina mode. Let's tap OK. So as you can see here, you can use only the several apps, and the screen is dark. Right now you can use this mode. If you would like to switch off the ultra stamina mode, let's use the upper bar, tap deactivate ultra stamina mode, tap OK. The device is restarting into the normal mode. The phone is restarting itself. Let's wait for the home screen. Excellent, so now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.